To a primetime news follow-up now, the 8-year-old child killed in the Cherry Lane massacre last month was laid to rest today. Aiden Bartley was one of 8 people killed in the deadly attack. He was remembered as a child who was full of promise. Details in this report. Emotions rang high inside the Ebenezer Baptist Church in Fort Parts, Clarendon on Saturday. Family members, the school community, well-wishers and others gathered to celebrate the life of 8-year-old Aiden Bartley, who was killed on August 11 in the Cherry Lane massacre, which claimed 8 lives.
His blood is resting on somebody's shoulder. And at some point in time, they are going to get their just reward.
Aiden was remembered as a youngster with a big heart and lots of potential. Guidance counselor at the Fort Parts All-Age School shared fond memories.
I asked the students to draw what they wanted to become. And Aiden had his head down in that book for a long time. And Aiden's, when he finished, he said, "Sir, this is my picture." And I said, "You want to be a soldier?" Aiden's response was, "Yes, sir. I want to say this. Aiden is missed. He's loved. I will remember him because he's right here. That soldier will be watching over me and his classmates and the school."
As they remembered little Aiden, there were also calls for residents to take a stand against the crime and violence plaguing communities in Clarendon.
We must understand that if it continues, at some point in time, we are going to cry as well. So it behoves all of us to understand that crime does not affect one person. Today is her crime moment and her family, but tomorrow might be yours.
Back at Cherry Lane, the police are keeping a close watch on the area. The residents, however, remain uncertain when things will return to normal.
We cry today. There's going to be a time when we're going to smile again. May his soul rest in peace.